All roads today lead to London and all eyes follow the spectacle to be held in the Olympic Stadium there, the main venue, where the screen on the greatest show on earth, a quartet of Jamaica US 100-meter sprinters comprising Usain Bolt, Yohan Blake, Tyson Gay and Justin Gatlin are likely to alight the Olympic Stadium and be at the center of attraction. Bolt is no longer the unquestioned favorite because of his injury. The other trio along with Asafa Powell can put up a stiff challenge and win the race on a given day. Both Blake and Gay have beaten Bolt this year,